Good morning students. Yesterday we have discussed how to observe the pattern and complete the pattern series. Today I will explain exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3. Question number 1. Which of the following will not represent 0? Option A 1 plus 0, B 0 into 0, option C 0 divided by 2 and option D 10 minus 10 divided by 2. 1 plus 0, we know 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. And option B, 0 into 0, answer is 0. 0 divided by 2, answer is 0. And 10 minus 10 is 0. And 0 divided by 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, option B, C, D will represent 0. And option A, answer is 1. So, it will not represent 0. Therefore, answer is A, 1 plus 0. Question number 2. If the product of two whole numbers is 0, can we say that one or both of them will be 0? Justify through examples. Let us see examples of two whole numbers whose product is 0. Here 0 multiplied by 4 is equal to 0. 18 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. And 0 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So if any one of the number is 0, then answer will be 0. And if both the number is 0, then also answer will be 0. Therefore, we can say yes, if the product of two whole numbers is 0, then one or both of them will be 0. Question number 3. If the product of two whole numbers is 1, can we say that one or both of them will be 1? Justify through examples. Solution. Example. 1 into 1, the product is, answer is 1. 4 into 1, 4. So if we multiply 1 with any of the number, we will get the same whole number that we discussed in previous classes. Therefore, we can say the product of two whole numbers is 1 only when both of the number will be 1. Next question, we have to use the distributive property and find the product of whole numbers. The use of distributive property helps our calculation easier. Question number 4, find using distributive property. A. 728 multiplied by 101. By distributive property, we know A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C, where A, B and C are any of the whole numbers. Therefore, we can write 728 into 101. We can split it into 100 plus 1. We can write 101 as 100 plus 1. And this 728 is common to 101. Therefore, by distributive property, we will multiply 728 with 100 plus 728 into 1. Because it is common to 100 and 1. Now 728 multiplied by 100 is 72,800 plus 728 into 1 is equal to 728. Therefore 72,800 plus 728 is equal to 73,528. Question number C. 824 multiplied by 25. We have to find the product by using distributive property. So 25 we can write 20 plus 5. And by distributive property, we will multiply 824 with 20 and 5. Therefore, 824 multiplied by 20 plus 824 multiplied by 5. 824 multiplied by 20 is equal to 16,480 plus 824 multiplied by 5 is equal to 4,120. Therefore, answer is 20,600. Question number D. 4,275 multiplied by 125. To make the calculation easier, I split the 125 into 3 terms. 100 plus 20 plus 5, which is equal to 125. And this 100, 20 and 5 is common to 4275. So by distributive property, 4275 will multiply with 100, then 20 and then with 5. Therefore 4275 into 100 plus 4275 into 20 plus 4275 into 5. Therefore 4275 into 100 is 4,27,500 plus 4275 multiplied by 20 is 85,500 plus 4275 multiplied by 5 is 21,375. Therefore, total is equal to 5,34,375. Number E, 504 multiplied by 35. 504 multiplied by 35 we can write 30 plus 5. Therefore, 504 multiplied by 30 plus 504 multiplied by 5 by distributive property. And 504 multiplied by 30 is equal to 15,120 plus 504 into 5 is equal to 2,520. Therefore, answer is equal to 17,640. Question number 5. Study the pattern and write the next two steps. Can you say how the pattern works? Hint is given. So, first we have to observe the pattern and write the next two steps and also show how the pattern works. Here in the hint is given first 5 number. So, it is the sum of, the sum is given. So, first 5 number, the last digit is 5. So, it is 5 times 1 plus 4 times 1 plus 3 times 1 plus 2 times 1 plus 1 times 1. Therefore, if it is 6, number is 6 in the last digit, then it will start from 6 times 1. If the last digit is 7, if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, if last digit is 7, it will start from 7 times 1, then 6 times 1, then 5 times 1, etc. It will go on till 1 time 1. Let us observe the pattern. In this, the first line, digit 1 is there, and second line 2, third line 3, fourth line 4, fifth line 5 is added to the previous number. So, sixth line, what will come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6 will come. And 8 is repeating all the line. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, next line plus 6 will come. And in here, first started with 9 and 9 is continuing in the all the line, and the next line 1 less than 9 is 8 is here, and 1 less than 8 along with 9 8 7 is added, then 1 less than 7 is 6, it is added in the next line, and the next here 1 less than 6 is 5, so 9 8 7 6 5. Therefore, in the next line 9 8 7 6 5 4 will be coming. So, next series is after 5, 6 will come, here 6 and here 5, 4 will come. So, what will be coming? What will come on the next? After 6, 7 will come, then here 7 will come, and here after 5, 4, 3 will come. Let us see the pattern. After 5, 6, 7, here after 6, 7, and after 4, 3. Now, let's start with the first sequence to see how pattern works here. It is given in the question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If 6 is the last digit, it will start with the sum of 6 times 1, 5 times 1, 4 times 1, 3 times 1, 2 times 1 and 1 times 1. Multiplied by 8. That is our sequence. So, it will multiply with 8. So by distributive property, we will multiply 8 with all the numbers and we will get the 8 times 8. Then we will get 6 times 8, 5 times 8, 4 times 8, 3 times 8, 2 times 8 and 1 time 8. Then we will take the sum of these numbers. We will get 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 8. So according to the pattern, we have to add 6 with the given number. So final answer is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Let us see the pattern. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 multiplied by 8 plus 6 is equal to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. It shows how the pattern works. Similarly, the last series of pattern. Here 7 is last. So 7 times 1, 6 times 1, 5 times 1, 4 times 1, 3 times 1, 2 times 1 and 1 time 1 is coming. Then we will multiply these numbers with 8. After multiplying these numbers with 8, we will add it to 7. We will get this answer. Multiplying with the numbers 7 times 1, 6 times 1, etc. up to 1 time 1. After multiplying with the number, we got 7 times 8, 6 times 8, 5 times 8, 4 times 8, 3 times 8, 2 times 8 and 1 time 8. Therefore, we got the final answer as 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 6. That we will add with 7. Therefore, final answer after adding with 7 is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Now let us see the pattern. The answer is matching with the previous answer. So it shows how the pattern works. Today's homework, NCERT textbook, chapter number 2, exercise 2.3, fourth question, B, 5437 multiplied by 1001. Recap of chapter 2. Chapter 2 is completed. In the chapter, we have discussed about whole numbers. Whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Predecessor and successor of a number. How to draw a number line and perform addition, subtraction and multiplication on number line. And also we have discussed different properties of whole numbers. Closure property, commutative property, associative property and distributive property. And we have used this property in exercise also. And we have discussed how to observe a pattern and complete the pattern series. For more detailed videos and textbook, please log in into the links of Diksha and Extra Marks.